Here are some tips for reading physics for 12th-stranded public exams. Understand the concepts. Start by reading the concepts and understanding them. Make sure you understand the fundamentals and principles of the topic. Practice problems. Physics is a subject where practice is crucial. Solve as many problems as you can. This will help you understand the application of the concepts. Make notes. While studying, make notes of the important formulas, definitions, and concepts. This will help you revise quickly and efficiently. Use diagrams and graphs. Physics is a subject that involves a lot of diagrams and graphs. Try to understand the relationships between the variables by studying the diagrams and graphs. Watch videos. Watching videos on physics topics can help you understand the concepts better. There are plenty of online resources that offer free video tutorials on physics topics. Solve previous year question papers. Practicing previous year question papers can help you understand the exam pattern and the type of questions asked. This will help you prepare better for the exams. Seek help. If you are struggling with any particular topic, seek help from your teachers or classmates. You can also join online forums or discussion groups to clarify your doubts. Manage your time. Make a study plan and manage your time effectively. Set aside specific time slots for physics and stick to your schedule. Stay motivated. Physics can be a challenging subject, but don't give up. Stay motivated and keep working hard. Set small goals for yourself and reward yourself when you achieve them. Stay healthy. Finally, don't forget to take care of your physical and mental health. Get enough sleep, eat well, exercise regularly, and take breaks when needed. A healthy mind and body will help you perform better in your exams.